name's Damon Gonzalez.
I'm Elash.
I'm Christopher.
We got Nas behind the camera, and we're Team Venus. So our inspiration for making this device was because, especially throughout this project and a lot of the projects that we were working on together, we talked a lot. We had a lot of conversations, and it was a good conversation, but it made us get off track. So we wanted something to keep us in check. So that is why we wanted to make this device, which it will help. Whenever you start having a conversation, it will detect the sound, and then it will also traverse around your desk, and then it will move around, letting you know that, oh, I'm getting off task, as well being equipped with a timer to help you study. But yeah, here's Chris to tell you more about the computational aspects of it.
Sure, so there's a lot of complications required to make it work, and so chief to that, we had two microcontrollers. So we have a Raspberry Pi and an Arduino Uno, which handle all the computation necessary. So the Pi takes a brunt of that, so it handles the microphone to make sure that the noise around isn't too loud. It runs the servos if that is the case, the environment isn't conducive to studying, as well as the face will change. This face is controlled by the Arduino, so the Arduino is just there to upload the image, and then takes a JPEG and displays it there. And that is triggered by the Raspberry Pi signaling the Arduino through a digital pin, that's the case. The Raspberry Pi also has an asynchronous GUI. So this GUI is running start-stop, it runs the timer, and once the timer runs down all the way, the speaker in the back will sound. And on top of that, for sensing, we did a microphone as well as the LCD screens. Right now we're just using a mouse, but you could also turn this into touch very easily. And then
and so how it detects when to switch into another mode. The microphone reads the last 8 seconds and takes a mean average, and if that mean average decibel reading is above 43 or 42.5 decibels, then it activates the mode where it moves the servos and changes the face. And so we can do a quick demonstration. So right now it's at 60 minutes.
let's reset already.
Oh, it's reset already?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we click start, it'll be 20 seconds and so if we're talking too loud, or it's awfully quiet in here, but
right now.
right there, you see, we were too loud for too long, and so it moved around, and the face changed. I don't know if you can see if we can get to change
It's
again.
Make the sound alarm for.
But so there's the alarm.
As for the mechanical design of it, we wanted to have the edges be filleted just so that there weren't any sharp edges. Not only that, we made it all PLA panels so that it's able with press fit tolerances for each of the panels, just so that we're able to open it up. And again, there's a Raspberry Pi and Arduino in there, so it's open source. You could change whatever you want inside, add any other cool features, change GUIs. And along with that, we added some TPU films on some of the edges that we consider to be points of failure, being mainly the front edge as well as the two top edges, just so that let's say if you're drinking water and you happen to spill, it will able to be water resistant, and then it won't go on much of the electronics inside.
And so this is our final project.
Yeah, thank you so much.